Quiet, Jamie.
Oh. What's been happening?
4.
Yeah?
Steady at 4.
Oh, no.
There's something wrong.
5.
Good.
6.
9.
7. 8.
Oh, let it creep up now. I don't want to blow the fluid links again.
Just the most peculiar dream. There was this big white horse with a horn right in the middle of his head and...
A unicorn.
Hey? Aye, probably. He was charging straight towards me.
998.
Head down, ready for the kill. I thought any moment...
Really, Jamie, your imagination is...
What's the matter?
I don't... Jamie, look.
Doctor? What's up?
Quiet, Jamie, quiet. That sound. That vibration. It's alien.
I can feel it too. In my head.
Don't seem to be able to concentrate. Concentrate. Both of you, concentrate on something.
I can't.
What is it?
Read off the figures to me so we're loud.
991.
Loud now, both of you. Read them off.
2.
Oh, 2. Oh, it's getting stronger.
3.
Oh, dragging me. Oh, concentrate, both of you.
5.
Oh, it's too strong.
6.
It's too powerful.
7.
Oh, it's too powerful.
8.